Right, this is where we are, Erasmus Bush Camp, King Big 5 Game Reserve. So this is just the road in. It's a fenced camp, electric fence all around. This is the road in to the campsite. Right, so they have a very nice swimming pool. So super clean. There's a kiddies play area, jungle gym, and there's a trampoline. There we are. Super clean pool. Here's the kiddies jungle gym, children's jungle gym. Campsite number 3. And that is Sue. That's the private ablutions on that side. Right, this is the private ablutions. It's really nice ablutions. There's 3 here. And 3 rubbish bins. And the ablutions. I like the shower, very nice shower. Hot water from gas. Really good. And a basin over here with a mirror. There's me in the mirror. Very nice, bright. There's a fire pit as well. And then there's a 220 power with a normal 3-pin plug. And a tap for water. Fire pits, Erasmus Bush Camp, EBC. It's outside. It's been a bit of a wind, it's blown things over. But yep. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed our campsite review. Erasmus Bush Camp in King. Right, we found Zebra Bush Camp. Hi, I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding. Zebra Bush Camp is in the King Big 5 Game Reserve, just a short distance from Pretoria and Johannesburg. Zebra Bush Camp is an unfenced bush camp. You can hear the birds in the King Game Reserve. We did hear lion last night, quite close by, a couple of occasions, so it's unfenced, just be aware, but it's lovely here. This is the entrance road into the site. As our site at Zebra. The site's very big. You can fit 3 or 4 caravans on here, or off-road trailers. And this over here is the braai area, the braai pit. It's unfenced, as I said. So they've got this little reed around the fire pit. And we have seen from here in the bush, on this side, we've seen zebras, wildebeest, waterbuck, impala, and lots of birds. Right, there's no power, so there's a donkey boiler. This is the wash-up area, also hot water fed from the donkey boiler. There's a bin. And on this side is the ablution facilities. It's open, there's no roof on it. It's quite nice, but it is enclosed. You put up the occupied sign when you're inside, and there we go. So there's a basin. Again, the hot water is coming from the donkey boiler, and it's been very hot here. With the water, that is. There's the toilet, normal flush toilet. No problems with that. And on this side is the shower. Very big area for shower. And the water pressure out of there is amazing. Hot water from the donkey. And I haven't had a problem at all showering here. There is a shelf to put your goodies on. And there's a towel rack with hooks. And there's a tree. Right. So there's the shower. The mirror. Just the view out from the ablution facility towards the donkey boiler, the wash up, and the braai pit. Hi, so this is Zebra Bush Camp. It's one of the fenced campsites. There we are. It's the drum to put your fire in afterwards, but before you go to bed. There's a fire grid, a braai grid, and a tap. Right, so these facilities here have a gas geyser, so you can use the gas to wash up and also for the ablution facilities. And there's a solar light. And the nice thing too is it has 2 points on there. You can see them, the white ones. You can plug your cell phone in and charge your cell phone using the battery. Very good idea. Right, there's the wash up. Hot and cold water, double sinks are nice. And this side is a shelf where you can put all your goodies on. Right, and this is the ablution facilities. Again with a sign that says occupied if you're in there. Gas geyser. There's a nice sink. Lovely sink. The toilet, normal flush toilet. And the lovely shower. A red one for hot and a blue one for cold. Zebra Bush Camp. And there's the shower head. Very good. And this is the site. It's a very big site. You can fit a lot of trailers on it or a caravan. And don't forget there's no power. You must bring your solar panel and your battery. But there's heaps of sun, so there's no problem with that. So there's 3 tent stands inside, and this is inside the fenced area. We were staying at the unfenced, but this is fenced. Tents 1, 2, and 3. Right, there we are. We're leaving Zebra Bush Camp. Right, DG Overlanding, and that was our review of Zebra Bush Camp in the Denneking Big 5 Game Reserve. We really enjoyed our stay here. It's a wonderful site. Please subscribe to our channel. That's DG space Overlanding, DG Overlanding on YouTube. That way we can carry on doing these reviews and you can see lots more. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.